In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Zoom to Google Calendar. This is really helpful if you regularly schedule online meetings and want Zoom links to be created automatically when you set up events in your calendar. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll be able to add Zoom meetings to your Google Calendar with just a couple of clicks. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser and make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account. On the right-hand side of the screen, you'll see a small vertical toolbar. Look for the plus icon near that area, which is used to get more add-ons and extensions for your calendar. Go ahead and click on that plus sign. A panel or window will open, showing you different add-ons you can connect to Google Calendar. At the top, you should see a search bar. Click into the search field and type the word Zoom. Give it a moment and you'll see search results related to Zoom integrations. From the list of results, look for Zoom for Google Workspace. This is the official integration that lets Zoom and Google Calendar work together smoothly. Click on Zoom for Google Workspace to open its details page. Here you'll see information about what the add-on does and what permissions it needs. On that details page, you'll see an option to install the add-on. Click on the Install button. A confirmation message will appear explaining that this add-on will be connected to your Google account and letting you know what access it requires. When you're ready to proceed, click on Continue. At this point, you'll be guided through some on-screen prompts. These may include choosing which Google account to use and granting the necessary permissions so Zoom can integrate with your calendar. Carefully read each message, then click Allow or Confirm where appropriate. Make sure you're using the same Zoom account you normally use for your meetings so everything stays in sync. Once you've finished the prompts, the installation will complete. After that, when you create a new event in Google Calendar, you should see an option to add a Zoom meeting directly from the event details. That means no more copying and pasting links, everything will be automatically attached to the calendar invite. And that's it. You've successfully added Zoom to Google Calendar and can now schedule Zoom meetings more quickly and efficiently.